The dots can only be connected by looking backward. You cannot link them by looking forward. Therefore, you must have faith that in the future, the dots will somehow join. You must have faith in something, be it life, karma, destiny, or your instincts, because you will have the courage to follow your heart even if it deviates from the well-traveled path, if you have faith that the dots will eventually join. And it is what will change everything. Don't waste your limited time living someone else's life. Avoid becoming imprisoned by ideology, which results from other people's thoughts. Keep your personal voice preserved by making the effort to drown out the opinions of others. You must discover your passion, and it holds true for both your love and your work. A significant portion of your life will be devoted to your profession, and the only way to genuinely be fulfilled is to produce work you are passionate about. And loving what you do is the only way to produce amazing stuff. Continue searching if you haven't found it yet, and quit giving in. What your actual ambitions are? You are certain to experience both highs and lows. Most individuals are quick to give up on themselves. Do you realize how strong the human spirit is? Nothing is more powerful than the human spirit, which is impossible to stop. When one's health is excellent, their debts are paid, and their relationships are fulfilling, one can feel good about themselves. Everyone may then have a more expansive view, and in such types of situations, everyone can have trust, appears after being struck down. Taking action requires courage, a part of being hungry after a loss. It needs bravery to begin afresh. Dreams are killed by fear. Hope is killed by fear. Fear sent several folks to the hospital. Fear may make you seem older and prevent you from accomplishing goals you know you are capable of achieving, but it will paralyze you. Nothing exists at the end of your sentiments, yet every principle has a promise at its conclusion. There might be nothing at all at the end of your small sensations hidden under them, but every principle has a promise below it. Some of you have experienced life. The reason you aren't reaching your aim at the moment is because you are just thinking about how you feel. You don't feel like getting up based only on your sentiments. Who does? If you reject your aspirations on a daily basis, you may be delaying them by 6 months or even a year. I'm not sure how long your stuff could have been put back by that one day when you didn't get up. Avoid letting your feelings rule you. They will use you if you're not disciplined and can't control your emotions. And you're going to make every effort to obtain it. Making a change is never simple, even if you want it to be. If it was really that simple, everyone would do it. But you'll give it your best if you're sincere. This is my territory. I refuse to let this bring me down or allow it to destroy me. I'll be back. And as a result, I'll be stronger and better. That's what you stand for. Accept complete responsibility for your life. Accept where you are and accept responsibility for having yourself where you want to go. You have the option of deciding that I will live each day as if it were my last. Live your life with zeal, with some determination. You've decided to challenge yourself. The last chapter of your life is yet to be written, and it makes no difference what happened yesterday. What happened to you is irrelevant. What matters is, what are you going to do about it? This year I plan to make this a reality. I'm not going to bring it up again. I can. I believe that perseverance is essential for everyone. Don't give up and don't concede. There is always an answer to every question.